channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods to any Android. Connecting AirPods to an Android device is generally a straightforward process, and here's how you can do it. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Go to the notifications panel and turn on the Bluetooth option and open your AirPod case. Open the lid of your AirPod case. This puts your AirPod into pairing mode. Pairing on Android device. On your Android device, you need to go to the settings, or you can simply go to the notifications panel and make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and tap on your AirPods in the list of available devices on your Android device. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process, and once paired, you should see a confirmation message on your Android device indicating that your AirPods are connected. And once connected, you should be able to listen to audio from Android device through your AirPods. Keep in mind that some advanced feature like automatic switching between devices may not be available when using AirPods with an Android device. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.